guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, please subscribe. And now can you give this video a big thumbs up. And comment down if you did all things. Comment down actually. Hashtag Squishy Lover R. If you love Squishies. So today's challenge is a squishy challenge. Well, today we are doing what's in the egg squishy challenge. So it's where you put your blindfold on, you pinch a squishy. You can't feel that's why it's pinched. Drop it in, shut it, shake it, take your blindfold off, and you crack it open with your knee, and you see what it is. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Okay, that's always gonna be there. I know. There. First round. Let's get started. Oh, and sometimes I can have one arm off. So well, we know it was the panda. It's a panda. This one I have longer than any squishy I ever had. That's why it's sort of like that and dirty. And it's a fast rise because right when you squeeze it, it just goes up. It's sort of like not a squishy anymore. They get 2 rounds. All the squishies get 2 rounds. And then that's when I'll be done with the video. I think. Next round. Oh, it's open. It's the starfish. It's a pretty starfish. It's a pretty starfish. And look at the back. So let's get to the next round. It's the poop emoji. So this one's sort of like a slow ride. It goes fast and then goes slow. I don't know what you would call that. Comment down below. Look, it's cute. It's a cutie cute. Oh, you're making me blush. Stop that. This one smells good. This one just plain. Oh, these two smell good so far. It actually can pinch what time I have if I can do it 2 rounds of each. Wait, I'm gonna guess this one. I'm guessing it's like the cupcake or the watermelon. It's a cupcake. sort of a slow ride. It's cute. It's sort of peeling off. Oh my god, that smells so good. You guys get to look first. It's Donnie. I decided I'm not going to do the starfish again, but I would have that in my second round, but I'm going to my last round. So. Okay. I got the panda again. So this one's out. Oh, why did I grab the donut? Hello. Do you want to play? It's the cupcake. It's funny, I haven't got the watermelon at all. You guys could see. It just really slow rise. You're out of the game. Oopsie, sorry. Let's try to get the cupcake. I mean the donut. I want the donut, the watermelon. Why do I keep saying donut all of a sudden when I got that donut without watermelon? I got Miss Donut. You're out of the game too. It's only round 3. Suddenly, I have no time, so I'm just going to show you the watermelon one. It's really squishy. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Give this video a big thumbs up. Always thinking about. Always thinking about. And then I want that hand. Well, comment down below. #Squishies. And you might get a shout out in any video if I can figure out how to get that thing down.